winter is over. Winter is here. You can see a lot of cars because the drive is slow today. We're gonna go sledding, so join us. If you're not, I can't speak. If you're not a subscriber, smash that button. Subscribe if you're a subscriber. Thank you so much. Join us. Thank you. Now you can do whatever because I'll remove the sound and put music.
Bro, you made me lose my place, Timmy. Why are you calling me? I was trying to send you a picture and you just made me lose my place. Okay, where is it? Okay, this one. I forgot what it is. One photo? It needs to be how many seconds? 4 seconds? But I'll do 5 seconds. That's the shortest video I got is 5 seconds. I got that one. I got that one. You pick from one of these because I don't know.
Alright, we're gonna go over there. It's called my thrift store. Try to see if we can get snow pants. Thank you for joining.